The 2026 YouTube landscape is a high-speed digital economy built on rapid node connections and global data streams. While millions of creators upload daily, a high percentage of channels fail to gain traction. Conversely, channels that implement professional structures early on tend to capture more consistent viewership. Failure often stems from treating the platform like a personal social media diary. Beginners frequently use private emails and skip the technical security steps required for a commercial account. Success in this environment depends on a secure, professional backend that can reliably support the platform's financial and distribution systems. Begin by segregating your personal identity from your business operations. When setting up an account, select the For Work or Business option rather than a personal Gmail. This isolates private data and establishes a dedicated, secure hub to handle brand partnerships and financial data. Creators with a custom domain name can integrate Google Workspace for a corporate identity, though a standard, dedicated Gmail address serves the same foundational purpose. Isolating the channel's email architecture provides the first necessary layer of operational security for a public-facing brand. Once the account is secure, you define the brand identity through a unique channel name and a matching handle. The handle ensures your brand is recognizable in comment sections and across the platform's search infrastructure. You must format your profile image and banner to render correctly across various hardware. The banner requires specific placement of key visuals within safe zones to ensure the brand remains visible on mobile phones, desktops, and televisions. The first two lines of your channel description are critical. These are the sentences that appear in homepage feeds, directly influencing whether the algorithms surface your content to new viewers. In the Customization tab, you should also provide a public contact email. This address must be different from your private login email to prevent unauthorized access attempts. Clear visual architecture and secure contact channels signal professional legitimacy to both the YouTube algorithm and potential commercial partners. New channels are initially restricted to a standard feature tier. This is a system-level quarantine designed to prevent automated bot activity from flooding the platform. To move past this, you navigate to the feature eligibility settings and complete an SMS phone verification to open the second tier. Unlocking intermediate features allows for custom thumbnail uploads and videos longer than 15 minutes, which are essential for long-form content strategies. The final gateway is the advanced features tier. By completing a brief video verification or providing a government ID, you gain the ability to use external links in your descriptions and increase your daily upload volume. Moving through these verification gates confirms your human identity and prepares the channel for high-volume distribution. With the features unlocked, you need to configure your back-end guardrails. One common risk is leaving the default upload visibility set to public. Setting the default to unlisted acts as a failsafe. This prevents a video from going live before you have double-checked the titles, thumbnails, and descriptions for accuracy. Pre-populating the description defaults with your affiliate links and website URLs eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing the chance of broken links on future uploads. You must also set your COPPA designation. Explicitly telling YouTube whether your content is made for children is a legal requirement. Failure to classify this correctly can lead to channel demonetization or permanent termination. Configuring these defaults protects the creator from demonetization and manual processing errors during the upload phase. The goal of this technical setup is eligibility for the YouTube Partner Program. This is the mechanism that converts viewer attention into ad revenue. Entry into the program requires meeting specific quantitative thresholds. The first requirement is a baseline of 1,000 subscribers. Beyond subscribers, you must achieve either 4,000 public watch hours on long-form videos within a year or 10 million shorts views within 90 days. Remember that applying for monetization is only possible once the advanced features tier has been unlocked. These metrics serve as proof of concept, demonstrating a channel's commercial value to global advertisers. Reaching these goals requires a sustainable workflow and a clear content strategy to prevent burnout during the initial growth phase. Once the back-end infrastructure is secure, the absolute only physical hardware required to begin is a modern smartphone. Completing this technical blueprint secures the back-end, leaving the creator free to focus on the physical act of production and the capturing of global audience share.